Give Buck a buck. Give Buck a buck.
Just give him a buck.
Give Buck a buck.
Yes, his dog's on. Okay, here you go. Ready?
Yeah, there he goes.
Oh, nice.
Does he bring?
He's gonna work good.
Does he bring back change?
He don't bring no change.
He
back.
don't- no
You don't give him a 5.
No change.
What do you get for a 10?
Well, you know, he's gonna get the same snack, but you're not gonna get no change back. Yeah.
That's funny. That's hilarious. That's a smart thing to teach a dog, I'll tell you. I like that.
A foursome.
Come on! Come on! Good boys, there we go. The last time we'll be virgins.
What's happening?
Deliverance. Squeal! Let's come on, get into it, man. The shirt. That's your handshake. Here.
All right, you guys ready?
Don't cover the shirt. Don't cover the shirt.
Okay, got that one.
This is Wyatt. Yeah. One of the lead.
How about Gage?
Yeah. Gage. Yeah. Why do I keep? Wyatt's the other guy. Damn it. I'll get you down. What's my name? John. Scott.
John.
There's John.
Hey, Hansi.
He had a 50-50 chance. Hey, we got
You're a tourist looking the wrong way.
No, we're gonna turn around in a minute.
Federally. We got Fedco, we got Hans, we got Gage, we got Scott. We got the Snake River.
Guy.
Is this Hell's Canyon?
Gage. Hell's Canyon.
Okay, just so you know, that guy over there, he's a doctor. Okay? But he's a dentist.
Ah, damn it!
Yeah, baby! Come on! Bring it on, baby! We want more!
There you go! That was funny as shit! Damn it, I'm wet! Shit! That was fun! That was fun!
How many more of those we get? 3 more?
How do you like it? I do not regret that night every single time. That was probably my best one.
What do you mean your best what?
What?
What do you mean best?
That was like, normally it's way, I'll put us over side, we'll skip the rocks.
All right, here we are, Sheep Creek, one day of rafting. There's Gage, Wyatt. They made our food for us. We ate like gourmet chicken trout I caught. Pretty sweet little, once a homestead many years ago, so they took over this camp here. We're gonna spend the night here. This beautiful area. Bighorn sheep. We'll traverse those mountains. You can see kind of the pass up there. It's a beautiful canyon here. Morning at sheep camp.
Did you film that?
Hans, what do you have to say this morning?
I say my back's a little sore.
A little sore here.
My head has a knot in it, so it's a little sore.
A little sore.
Other than that, I slept pretty good.
Do you miss your wife? Do you miss your woman?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
You said the right thing.
I used to do power naps.
Jimmy,
You talking to me?
what do you have to say at sheep camp?
You know what I have to say? John? You know what I have to say?
What do you have to
I
say?
have to say this.
Oh,
What does that say?
you don't give a rat's ass.
Go all over the place.
Bingo.
Bingo, baby.
John or Scott?
I don't
Can you do this puzzle?
a rat's ass.
Listen, asshole.
I don't give a rat's ass.
Scotty,
Yes.
what do you have to say at sheep camp?
Bah.
You were hoping there were boots here.
Don't ask me questions while you're waking up.
Wrong camp.
Okay, here we are. What?
American Pie. Remember band camp?
Band camp?
Yeah. Why was at band camp?
Oh, band camp.
At band camp.
This is what we got. A beautiful morning. Look at that. God's country.
Is it sunny right now? Oh, it's clear.
This is
It's
totally...
gonna be hot. It's gonna be hot today.
No.
We paddled for miles and miles yesterday to find this beautiful site.
18 miles.
We paddled.
18 miles.
And there's a bunny.
There's the buddy.
Here's our camp. The boys of summer.
Yeah, it was good to get out, man. Do the boy thing.
What month is it? Where are we?
Doesn't matter.
No, we're lost in time.
Yes, that's right.
And I am
There's
here
no
too.
dinosaurs.
I am here
I saw
too.
Sasquatch.
I saw him this morning. You see what he was doing? He was
Yeah.
going like this. And I hear this stomping. I swear to God, I hear this stomping. What the fuck? You scared me, Jim. You scared me. I hope you're happy.
She drove a third.
Johnny, come in, Johnny. It's...
Way to go, man. There you go. You got the film rolling? Does it feel good? Pretty deep, isn't it? You lost the shoe.
Yeah, you can't lose the shoe.
Yeah, don't lose the shoe.
I think they float.
Oh, mine, I don't think. Isn't it cool?
It's very cool.
It's nice, isn't it?
I'm gonna pee now.
Yeah. Hey, turn around. Guys, just turn around real quick.
Hey, Johnny, you gotta turn around real quick.
Perfect.
You want one, John? Hans, you want one?
You know out there. That way. Come on, stop everything. That was so cool to see it jump.
Where's he going, Scott?
I don't know.
You're doing great. Remember, it's all in the hips.
Do you have to tire him out?
Yeah, it's a game of tug of war. So as soon as he stops, that's when you start reeling. And you reel fast.
Oh, he's killing me.
That's not even an 8 or a 9. That's a 6 or a 7. There's lots of ledges out there, so that's what he just did. He ran you into a ledge. So just make sure to stay on them. Keep pressure on. It's all barbless, so we gotta keep constant pressure. Keep reeling on them. You're doing great. You want the pussy pad?
Did you mention that? I'm not going to.
You know where the pussy pad is?
Yeah,
Don't
around
tap
your
it.
waist? Is that where it holds in the middle?
Go around your waist.
Here, let me see this. There you go. It helps.
Oh, it
I'm not gonna lie, it helps.
Why didn't you show me this earlier?
I wanted to see you struggle for a little bit.
Man, that thing looked big.
Okay, keep reeling. What he's trying to do, he's trying to run you along the edge of the current and the seam there. You want to keep them over here. They get into that current and they like to go. There you go, keep reeling.
Yeah, what he's trying.
As soon as they get
He's
in the
trying.
shallows and they feel the rocks on their belly,
Yeah.
they like to run.
How close you want me to bring him?
All the way.
Look at that beautiful fish. What a beautiful fish.
Kind of guide him right toward the gauge there. Well, he might even go 7. He might be 6.5, 7. He don't like you, Gage.
You want me to bring him in more, or we're good?
Yeah, they
We're
got
good
him.
there. Okay, I got the rod.
Okay,
I got it. Yep.
Got it. Gosh, I hope you guys got my picture on that.
Yeah, so he's done.
Oh my goodness. Can we
Yeah,
go
as soon
in
as
the
you get him
water with
upside,
these
yeah,
guys?
guys, go get in the water.
Okay, I want
We
you
got
guys
to get them
film this.
released here real quick, so
Okay,
we don't have a lot
I'll
of
get in the
time.
water. Anybody who wants a picture? Do you know how to use this? I want this fish.
Scott, you're panicking.
Crushing on you?
They got teeth?
No, no teeth.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go in too.
Yeah.
What do you want to go in for?
Jim?
What?
You just push it. Yeah, it's video. Yeah. Okay. It turns square. Can I jump in over here?
Oops, sorry. Wow, nice battle there. Woo!
Scott, don't fall.
Yeah, that guy's going to go 7. He's 7 foot.
7 foot?
Yep.
Okay, so put your arms out like this.
So you want to cradle like this, arms under the belly,
Okay.
because we're going to roll it. He's going to fight.
Keep him, Scott. Keep him. Hold on to
And
him.
look up, big smile, big titties.
Get him.
Stretch out that tail. There you go. That's a 7-footer.
Scott fondled it. Hey, Johnny, got him in. This
Good
is cool.
fish.
This is cool.
Gage, let me get my phone. Stand by.
That's awesome, man.
Because I see you taking pictures. I want to see if they get close to that.
The rams? Oh yeah, he's the guardian.
I'm a female. I'm a female.
I'm filming right now.
I get a close one. I got you. Huh?
Get off the ground.
Like those
Hey, he's the wrestler, right?
Looks like you're right next to this freaking. Hey, your water strike or your line strike. Let's play for the Rams.
That one is fucking giant line. Pretty big. That's a 190-inch ram.
Which one? This one?
Same with the collar.
Which means what?
World class. Wah, wah.
Yeah, for a little nibble and drink. That's the nibble.
Scott, this isn't Disneyland.
Yes, it is. I'm gonna go feed them.
gonna happen.
Got my hair wet.
Shower tonight.
Hey, Mike, do that again. Do that again, will you?
Johnny.
Too bad I wasn't videoing you.
Scotty,
Hey, Johnny.
we having fun.